Another day, another protein study, and another video. Hello folks, Scientific Health with AK here. This study is interesting for the elderly and muscle protein synthesis. Let's find out. If you have been watching this channel for some time now, you will understand that we focus mainly on muscle growth and a better health. We know that muscle growth occurs when the muscle protein synthesis exceeds muscle breakdowns. And we also know that muscle protein synthesis is stimulated by resistance training and protein ingestion. We talked about it before that as small as 5 grams of protein can stimulate muscle protein synthesis for young healthy adults. But unfortunately, this is not the same for the elderly. As a matter of fact, ingestion of 20 grams of protein can stimulate muscle protein synthesis and considered optimal in younger adults. But does this apply to older adults? Let's find out. Let's take a look at this beautiful study that investigated different dosages of protein in older adults in order to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. Just a quick thing, muscle protein synthesis is the driving force of building muscles in our bodies. In this study, the participants performed a bout of resistance exercise and then consumed different dosages of protein. The dosages are 0, 15, 30, and 45 grams of protein. To make this study even more beautiful, they asked the participants to consume milk protein or whey protein because we know it is very high bioavailable. Not sponsored. The findings of this study showed that the consumption of 15 grams of protein did not really stimulate muscle protein synthesis in these older adults, but the consumption of 30 grams of protein significantly increased muscle protein synthesis with no further increase when consuming 45 grams of protein. This means older adults need to consume 30 grams of protein in order to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. And as we can see, this is 50% higher than the younger adults' consumption of protein, as we said it was 15 grams. That's why we can safely say resistance training combined with 30 grams of protein can stimulate muscle protein synthesis in older adults. And we have to motivate our elders by asking them to resistance exercise and consume in every meal a little bit of more protein than usual. And as we saw in this study, 30 grams of protein is considered optimal for now. Maybe in the coming future, maybe we will have other studies asking for more or less. But hey, this is what the science says, and maybe it is different from one person to another. Check out the other videos, learn more, and stay awesome. I think I need a haircut.